Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to play Clash of Clans on PC and laptop. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. Step 1. Download and install Google Play Games. Open Chrome and search for Google Play Games. Click on the first result and then click on the download beta button. Wait for the download to complete and then click on the download notification in your browser. This will start the installation process, which may take a few moments. Once installed, the emulator will ask you to log in with your Google account. Click on the button and accept the terms and conditions. Now you can create a profile with the name you want and continue. Step 2. Install Clash of Clans. Search for the game Clash of Clans and click on Install. Wait for the download to complete and then click on the play button. And there you go, you are now ready to play Clash of Clans on your PC. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next Tech Solutions video.